Ashwani, come to you. On expected lines, obviously, it will open a bit lower. But how do you map your trades? Either positional or the intraday trades that you would look to initiate, or look to work upon the trades that you already have?
See, we were flat on yesterday's closing, so we don't have any trades to worry about. But, what we need to now start looking at is that we are sitting on at least, 5 to 6 days of higher highs. And yesterday was a fairly narrow range, about 50 points on the Nifty and say about 150 on the Bank Nifty. So once you're sitting on top of a rally and you start making these narrow ranges, that's the time you start getting cautious, you start tightening your stops. So now the stop becomes, yesterday's low of about 5095. So in case that starts getting taken out, that would be the point where you start booking profits if you have any long positions. About further, going short or something, I think another 50 points lower, 5050 odd, if the market starts closing below those levels, that's where you start going short on the Bank Nifty. In case we start trading below below 10,000, that would be the point where you would consider taking shorts on the Bank Nifty. So, the market is now setting up for maybe a reversal. Time will tell whether this narrow range breaks on the upside or on the downside. The levels are right, 5150, 5170. From there, several rallies have been terminated. So, it's time to become cautious about the rally. The institutional numbers have been nothing to write home about. There are all kinds of fancy expectations. If those expectations on rate cuts are not met, let's be sure that we will give back a substantial part of this rally. So Nifty for the day needs to stay above 5120. Resistance comes in at 5145, 5169. Support at 5096, 5071. Bank Nifty must stay above 10,142. CNXIT must stay above 6,040. BTSTs from yesterday, Hind Oil Exploration was a buy with a stop about 170, target of 132. Sun Pharma was a buy with a stop about 585, target of 610. Hind Unilever was a buy with a stop about 435, target of 455. Fresh calls, Jet Airways continues to appear here. I think it's started now closing above 370. So that's a buy with a stop about 370, target of 405. PFC is gaining strength. It's now beginning to move up on big volumes. So this is a buy with a stop about 165, target of 180. IGL broke out of some kind of consolidation. So this is a buy with a stop about 230, target of 255. United Spirits is again a buy with a stop about 650, target of 725. IRB Infra is a buy with a stop about 122, target of 137. And as crude comes lower, ONGC is beginning to gain strength. So this is another buy with a stop about 262, target of 282.